it's your girl V here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you see all the... It's from my robe. Sorry. It has been quite some time and that is completely on me, obviously. I told you guys I sucked at this and I really showed you guys that I sucked at this. But everybody's been asking me where I've been and you know, it's about time. I mean, yeah. So, you know, I decided today I'm gonna do like a little get ready with me Vogue style, you know, in my robe in my bathroom. So, yeah. Anyways, keep on watching if you missed me. So I've started doing my makeup differently. I watched the Tati video when she was with J-Lo's makeup artist and, you know, switched it up. So my eyes, I still do my eyes before my face, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start. So where have I been? I kind of just been here, you know, just kind of chilling. For a bit, I kind of started feeling really uninspired, and you know, makeup is a hard game to get into these days. I didn't post on Instagram. I wasn't really even doing makeup, and when I did do looks and try to take pictures of them, they just wouldn't come out. So I felt like, you know, it was all like a sign and it just wasn't meant to be. But then I started really missing doing makeup, and that one day I did the look and I posted it on my Instagram and it felt really good. This morning I woke up and I was like, yo, I should just film a video, and well, now here we are. So I hope that answers a lot of questions. Thank you for your concern. But yeah, I mean, I'm okay now. I'm doing a lot better. I'm feeling much more into life than I was. Okay, so my eyes have the concealer. I'm going in with my trusty old, dusty old James Charles palette. I'm going to start with packing black. Ooh, that's new. Oh, did I get like super bright? Sorry. Okay. Oh, I'm not even looking at y'all. I'm looking at myself. Again, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna take the black and I'm gonna just wing it, literally. This is like eyeliner, like one side and then you keep doing the other side and then they never match. So once you have that on your lash line at some point, sorry, you're just gonna go and kind of blend it a bit upwards. It'll look bad until it gets good, especially because it's black. You're going for like raccoon eyes. So now I'm going in with the shade next to Benny. I only remember some shades. I don't know what this one's called. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. But it's the shade next to Benny. And you're gonna just take that on top. Blend that. And you want like majority of the color to be on the outside edge. This is going well. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the light brown shade in the middle, not the yellow one, the one beside it. Also don't know the name. And I'm just gonna blend that kind of on top. I'm gonna go back in with the black and kind of intensify the corner here. And I'm gonna take a little bit of Benny and I'm gonna just blend that black. I'm going to take a flat brush and I kind of want to use this like rusty looking color. And I'm just going to put that kind of by my inner corner and just kind of drag some of it onto the lid, just a little bit, just so your eye still looks kind of open. Okay, so my eyes are pretty much done there. So now my face, I have really oily skin. So I start with my setting spray. which is really funny because setting spray is supposed to go after. I start with it. This kind of creates a barrier between your skin and the makeup so the oil doesn't seep through. Then I go in with my loose powder and set it. This creates a second layer. So I like to set where I get like really oily, and you just push the powder in, like here it gets really oily, down here. Okay, so once that is done, I kind of just go in with my primer. So, okay, so after my face is primed, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty concealer and conceal under my eyes. Oops, I broke the mirror. I'm just gonna put a little bit here. I don't really like to do my forehead. Yeah, okay, that's enough. And then I'm just gonna blend it out. Keep my face. I'm about to look super wild. I like to pull my nose and get in here too. I can't do that with clients. I have to like really like just, because I can't put my finger in their nose. Okay, so now that that's done, and I look weird, I'm gonna take this concealer from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna take a little brush and I'm gonna contour. Now this dries really quick, so from here I like to go straight in with my contour brush from e.l.f. and start stamping away and blending it out because it is a very quick drying concealer, and I learned that the hard way. Okay, and that looks crazy enough. Okay, and then whatever is left kind of on the brush, I just run down the side of my nose. And I like to do under my nose, kind of lifts it up a bit, and then like a little I look crazy. Okay, that's done. So now we're gonna go into foundation, the best part. Okay, so let's talk about the Morphe foundation. Here it is. So I'm in the shade F3.110, which I think is the lightest brown shade in that category. Now when it first came out, I watched a couple of reviews, and let me tell you, they were not all that great. A lot of people thought that it was too dry and it was this and it was that, you know, and it really stopped me from buying it because people are not liking it, then you figure you're not gonna like it. A couple of weeks ago, I decided like, okay, let me get a sample and try it out because I needed a new foundation, like desperately. I was out of the Fenty one. I did not have 40, 50 bucks to go and buy one. So I was just collecting samples because that's what a bitch on a budget does. So I got the sample and I was, you know, she put it on my face to test the color first. She did half my face. I wore the whole half for the whole day. And honestly, it felt like there was nothing on my face. It looked great and it was so lightweight and it was amazing. Like I couldn't understand why people did not like it. I look like a brand new person, are you kidding me? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my setting powder and just bake. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Now I'm just going to brush off everything, and I kind of just brush everything like all over. Just blend everything nicely together. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go slap on some lashes and finish getting ready, and I'll be back. Okay, so I slapped on some lashes. I'm wearing Manisha by Lash by TD, and I put some of my Fenty lip gloss on and highlighter. Got some highlight on. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry again that it took me so long to upload a video. I'm gonna try to do better, I promise. I really promise this time. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at beatdafacebyvee, and if you want, you can check me out on Facebook and Snapchat. Everything will be linked right here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the new videos that I am going to be posting. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you want to see more, so that way I know that you want me to upload videos. And yeah, that's about it. So don't forget to keep it lit, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.